Let him who hath understanding reckon the number of the beast, for it is a human number. Its number is 666.
But I really just had a pigeon in my beard. I swear. He's right behind me, isn't he?
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the debate for the Illinois Senate seat between Republican candidate Mayor Richard Campbell and Democratic candidate Dr. Ronald Burnham. Mayor Campbell won the coin toss backstage, so he will be answering first. And the question is, do you believe in sacrificing certain civil liberties to guarantee national security?
What people need to understand is that the rules we live by during peacetime no longer apply. America is at war.
No. What folks have to comprehend is that the laws we abide by are no longer applicable. America is in a non-peacetime period.
No. The government must be allowed to bend the laws in order to protect its people.
I disagree. The administration should be allowed to take liberties with the rules to defend its citizens.
You don't know what you're talking about.
And you, sir, are unaware of the words that are coming out of your mouth.
Gentlemen, please try not to interrupt each other. Thank you. Dr. Burnham, you'll answer the next question first. Where do you stand on welfare reform?
Welfare is like a Band-Aid. It can cover a wound, but it cannot heal it.
That is totally untrue. Welfare is like an adhesive strip that goes over an open sore and cannot provide a permanent remedy.
Mayor, I can't believe what I'm hearing. These people need jobs.
Doctor, my ears must be deceiving me. These citizens need employment.
But don't you think that work gives the common man self-esteem?
No! An occupation gives a person self-respect. America needs to get back on its feet.
Untrue. America needs to get back on its heels, arches, and toes. We need to return to the America that our grandfathers broke their backs to create.
Wrong. We need to return to the country that our fathers' fathers snapped their spines in order to make.
Oh, please. Your grandfather was nothing more than a bootlegger who made liquor in copper tubs and sold it to people who lived in shanty towns.
Well, at least my grandfather wasn't an illegal alcohol maker who created booze in a metallic vat, which was later purchased by impoverished residents of ghettos.
You are a big liar.
And you are a large-sized non-truth teller. Would you listen to his mudslinging? It's this kind of talk that is tearing this country apart. That's what you're doing. What America needs right now is to come together as one. He wants to divide this country. Excuse me? That's ludicrous. My platform will help unify America. I believe in welfare reform, homeland security, school uniforms. What? That's my platform, you thief. And let me tell you something else, you pompous windbag. You're the reason America is such a mess. Oh, I'm the reason, am I? Well, if I'm a pompous windbag, then you're a jackass. How dare you call me a jackass? Look! He was going to hit me. I feel sorry for the American people that this is all they have to choose from. I refuse to share the same stage as you. Where do you think you're going? I'm leaving the stage. Oh, really? Well, which exit are you going to take? This one. No, I'm taking this one. Fine, I'll take this one. If you want an original thinker in office, vote for me.
That's it. I don't like getting kneed in the groin. That's it. I don't like getting kneed in the groin. That's it. I don't like getting kneed in the groin.
I'm gonna line this thing with gargoyles for the sacrifices.